Baddha Konasana, cobbler or butterfly position. For preparation, you can warm up the hip joints and you can also do Janushirasana. The benefits are several, written here. Come to Dandasana. Rotate the legs to the side a little bit, bend your knee and bring your heels close to your groin. See that your hips are firmly grounded. See that your sitting bones are grounded. Insert the sacrum inside the body and bring the weight a little bit towards the legs. If this position is difficult for you, then you can bring the heel a little bit further away from your groins. Stay in your body and just observe your sensations. Now let's see the normal asana. You can grab either your big toe or your ankle. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and you can bend forward from your hips either with rounded back or either with a straight back. I prefer the straight back. See that you're making connection between the femur and the hip joints. You bring the weight a little bit towards the feet, the legs, and you're really trying to lengthening your spine. Now let's continue with variation. Slowly twist your navel to your knee. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale, slowly bend forward with straight spine from your hips. See that the weight is remaining equal in both buttocks. Work with your hands forward as long as the shoulders remain relaxed and back in the body. See that you're elongating your neck as well. You can remain in the position as long as it feels comfortable. You can also do side bend here, although now we are not doing it. Instead, we are opening our feet as a book. Or you can also place a brick under your feet. This variation is a deeper hip opening. You shouldn't force yourself into the position unless you have the right amount of practice. It's all about practice. You have to make the right choice which asana suits you the best, which asana supports you the best. Another variation can be when in supine position you slide close to the wall and you place the balls of your feet on the wall. See that you bringing as close as you can your groin and your heels, and you opening your hip as much as you can. Both sides of the sacrum remain equally on the ground. Distribute the weight equally on your sacrums. See that you're making big space in the belly area. Another variation, when you come close to the wall with your buttock, with the leg straight on the wall, and after you bending your knees and touching your soles, the sole of the feet. See that your spine remaining straight all the time and you're making space in your abdomen area. The last two versions, and which I'm showing you now, the supine Baddha Konasana, with or without the rope, they are both restorative positions as well, so you can stay longer in the position as long as you wish. I found more effective the belt version as it opens more the hip area as well as making bigger space for the women organs and for the organs. Just breathe deeply in this area. Lengthening the spine, relaxing the shoulder, and you can stay as long as you wish.